How to use Google Translate offline on mobile. Using Google Translate on mobile offline is very simple. Firstly, go to Play Store or App Store and search for Google Translate. Look for any updates that may be available for Google Translate. And if you haven't installed this application, then you can simply click on Install to install this to your device. Once it is installed, you can simply click on the Open option to open the app. Once it opens, you will land to this kind of interface. At the top, you can enter your text, and at the bottom, you can see the language that you are switching from. At the top right corner, click on your profile icon. Here you will see the option Downloaded Language. Click on that. Inside Downloaded Language, by default, English language will get downloaded, and all the other languages you can download if you want. Now scroll down to see all the languages. If there's any language that you would like to use even when you are offline, you can simply click on the download icon to download the language. Once the language gets downloaded, you will be able to use it offline. Click on download and start the downloading process. To stop the downloading process, click on the square icon. Then click on yes to stop the download. Once it gets downloaded, you can simply go back. Even if you are offline, you can simply choose the language that you have downloaded. That's all for today. Thank you.